Zomato, Mr. Gaurav and his team, 2008 to 2021, the journey of developing an food delivery ecosystem. What do they have? They have a strong database of over 3 million customers. They know which customer wants which dish from which area at what time from which restaurants, and who are the people, who are the customers who have a repeat orders, as well as the size of the order and what precisely they like time and again from which restaurants, and that shows the behavioral science of the restaurant side as well as the consumers, we the people. They know that consumers can use the app after introduction of Geo and making data available to each and every individual on smartphones. Even restaurants can use the data and communicate on app. They know one more thing, that cloud kitchen is coming, and when the cloud kitchen comes they can always replace Zomato kitchen in the vicinity of short span of 3 to 4 quarters, maybe sooner than earlier, and that will define the next course of Zomato. What will be the cost saving for them? They are having their procurement cycle which they are supplying it to restaurants, and they are having the distribution of the finished product from those raw materials, that is vegetables and grains, into a finished product, that is eatables, various dishes to the consumers. This entire food delivery ecosystem is being developed, tested time and again in last 1 decade, and more so much so in last 4 years. So with fourth industrial revolution, digital, data and geo and smartphones, it seems they are ready for takeoff with Zomato Kitchen and making a headway of tremendous cost saving on the investments for restaurants, and saving the time of waiting at the restaurants, traveling between their point of origin to point of destination, that is restaurants, and making their efficiency maximum up at up to the maximum point at work. Entire change of lifestyle after COVID has given boost to thought process of the Zomato team, the creative team headed by Gaurav and others. Zomato is ready for takeoff with Zomato Kitchen, a cloud kitchen wherein the space required to deliver the food at various states, regions, and places to the consumers, customers who wants XYZ dishes at XYZ time and to be delivered regularly or time and again. This entire food delivery ecosystem that is being developed by Zomato and Swiggy, wherein Amazon is entering to start with Bangalore in a big way, alone shows that how big the market is and how fat the market is, and what is the profitability at the end of the day depending on the habits created by the system. We all are going to use it again and again, more often than not, and that will create the participants, more and more participants into the ecosystem, and a change in the behavior and the lifestyle and the habits of each and every consumer. This cloud kitchen will basically replace, that is, Zomato kitchen will replace and will probably try to replace the home food and dabbawalas with the same quality of home food and with the same taste of home food at the least possible price, and that will define the exponential growth at the bottom line of Zomato. 3 cheers to Zomato, all the best. We are waiting. Let us be shareholder of Zomato and take part into its growth. Let's share the bottom line and the growth of Zomato financially too. All the best. Mining the money in Zomato.